Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in my last video, I had so much fun sharing my miniature car collection with you that I want to share a few more. And I also think I've solved the issue of the BarbieLand minis not fitting in the cars. All of the cars I'm going to show you today are made by Matchbox, and I believe I got them all from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. The first car is the Morris Minor Saloon, and it doesn't give me a year, but it definitely looks late 50s, early 60s. So as you can see, this car is definitely too short, so it would have to be a background car. Here you can see I put the car in the background, and it actually looks like it's in scale now because things in the distance naturally look smaller anyway. The next car is another Lincoln Continental. This one is a 1964 and it's painted black with silver details. I knew this car wouldn't work because I have another one that I showed you in the previous video. This is the car from the previous video, and this one is made by Hot Wheels. I just really like the look of the Lincoln Continental, so I definitely wanted to get the black one. And here's what it looks like with the car off in the distance. Next, we have this green 1966 Dodge Charger. So next to the doll, you can tell it's way too short. So once again, this would have to be off in the distance. Next, we have this Ranger. I'm not sure if the name of it is pronounced Polaris or Polaris, but I'm going to go with Polaris Ranger. This one is actually a really good size next to the dolls. She cannot fit inside of it, but I think I have a solution for that later. Here's what it looks like from the front. It's definitely a good size for pictures. We have a orange 2019 Fiat 500 Turbo, and Mattel did collab with Fiat a few years ago and make a car for Barbie, and that is on my wish list. I actually think the Fiat is a good size for the doll since they are smaller cars anyway. This looks pretty good. The next car is also on my wish list for my 1/6 scale cars. This is a 2019 Volkswagen Beetle convertible, and it is red. And I know that Volkswagen did a collab with Barbie also, and there is a Volkswagen Beetle available. Here's the Beetle next to the doll, and I think this one can work with it being a convertible. It looks pretty good. After filming my previous video, I was cleaning up the packaging to be recycled, and I remembered that several YouTubers have been cutting out the pictures on these to use as paper dolls. And I was thinking maybe they could fit into the Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. I put cutouts in these three cars, and I think it will work to give the illusion of the car being occupied. It's definitely not something that you want to take a close-up picture of, but from a distance, it will work. The convertible cars were obviously easier to get the cutouts in, but if the car has an open window, you can slide the cutout in without any problem. I did use a little bit of poster putty to make mine stay in place. So my friends, let me know what you think about the new cars that I shared with you today, as well as using the paper dolls in the cars. And as always, if you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.